Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix wallet by Budgetbakers login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Open another website or app to confirm your connection is stable. Step 2. Verify your login details. Re-enter your email and password carefully. Check for typing errors. Make sure caps lock is off. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password and reset it. Step 3. Restart the app or browser. Close the wallet by Budgetbakers app completely and reopen it. If you are using a browser, refresh the page or restart the browser, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update the app. An outdated versions can cause login issue. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Wallet by Budgetbakers and install any available updates. Step 5. Disable VPN or security apps. Some VPNs or security apps can block login requests. Turn them off temporarily and try logging in again. And that's how you can fix Wallet by Budgetbakers login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.